We saw an incredibly dramatic recovery in the Yemeni government Riyal beginning on 30 July. It was hovering at about 2,800, 2,900 Yemeni Riyals to the dollar before 30 July. By 30 July, it's at 2,400 of a dollar. So you can see this historic rate of just how high it was getting and how much higher the value, how I guess less the value of the Yemeni Riyal in Yemeni government held areas was compared to the Houthi Riyal. As of 31 July, it had dropped to 2050 to the dollar in Aden. And by 3 August, it was trading at roughly 1,800 Riyals against the dollar in Aden. So this has caused the Yemeni government to be very aggressive, in particular with prices. So they're saying that because this dramatic decrease, increase in the Yemeni Riyal's value, now everybody needs to bring prices down. And so as I was saying, they instituted a lot of price monitoring. You're having a lot of people go around and close shops that aren't lowering their prices. Traders are a little bit more skittish about this. There are a lot of people that are saying that this isn't going to necessarily hold, that this isn't necessary, that this dramatic appreciation in the value of the Yemeni Riyal isn't going to hold because it's not based on anything substantive in terms of structural economic stuff. Essentially, they're saying like people are responding to the CBY Aden stuff in terms of closing down the exchange companies. But at the end of the day, what you're still seeing is the Yemeni government doesn't have the fiscal resources to sort of sustain this level of appreciation, and that if you force us to bring our prices down, we can lose a lot of money. Traders can get really harmed by this. Hayal Saeed Anam, which is a major multinational company operating a lot in Yemen, has complained about saying like the Yemeni government needs to maintain currency stability before they're forcing everybody to reduce their prices, etc. So this, I mean, it's a good story for ordinary Yemenis in terms of their currency being valued more, which helps with being able to buy imports. But there are serious questions, I think, whether this is going to be sustained.